This is a single-story home, and it's upgraded interior, dual pane windows, AC, heated pool, and jacuzzi. There's RV parking there in the back as well. And in a minute, I've got something kind of special that I'd like to show you in the back part of the property. It's pretty cool. Very nice property. As we go into the main entrance here, I guess what we'll do is go to maybe to the right and take a look here. As we walk into the right, we have the first bathroom. Take a look in there real quick. And as we continue over here, we see one of the first bedrooms with a window to the front yard area. That's that. We'll go into the main part of the property at the end. Right now there's somebody over there. Here's the second bedroom. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And here is, I believe, to be probably the master bedroom. All right, master bedroom right here, which by the way leads to the outside, and we'll get to the outside in just a minute. But this property has upgraded interior, dual pane windows, AC, heated pool, and jacuzzi, RV parking. And as we will see in the back, well, let's look at this. This is very nice. Nice fireplace. This is the living room area. I would say this is the living room area. And it's a safe community just minutes away from the mall, freeways, parks, and great schools. I'm assuming this is the dining area as well. Here we are into the kitchen area. And like we said, it's upgraded interior, dual pane windows, AC, heated pool, and jacuzzi. All right. Very nice. The cookies, by the way, are really, really good. All right. And here is an added on room in accordance to the agent mentioning that they're not sure what the permit status is. However, I'm sure you go through the right channels and you could find that out real quick. It's a very nice upgrade. Rustic. With a nice fan for natural air to the property. As we go into the back here, kind of like I mentioned, there is a pool and jacuzzi. So yay, everybody likes a jacuzzi and a pool. And I do not believe it is heated. However, it is a very, very nice pool. Very, very nice. And kind of like the bonus thing about this property is it has an ADU, not completed yet, but it's a separate entrance and backyard to the ADU, which is really nice. And we're going to take a look at that now. This is the ADU. Is that crazy or what? Is that pretty awesome? And again, it's not completed, but my goodness, a little work, and now, you have this rented out and you're practically paying your mortgage, having your mortgage paid every month. So as you can see, it's not completed. However, the structure is in place and has been permitted. So really, really cool. I think it'd be like first-time buyers. This would be an awesome property. Awesome, because you could rent out the ADU and offset your mortgage and everything. Yes, we all like the pools. Like the pools and the jacuzzis. Yes. So anyway, it's a very nice property. And also, by the way, laundry is located on the garage, in the garage, and all appliances are conveyed with the home. So there you go. I'm not sure if that AC unit works or not, but we're going to take a final run through. If you have any questions at all, please give me a call or DM me. You can questions at the end of this particular tour, and I'll be happy to get back to you with any questions you may have.